Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, July 13th. We continue reading from Mark Nepo's book of Awakening, and today's essay is titled A Firefly of Love. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a little poem from Abutsu Ni. Who knows that in the depth of the ravine of the mountain of my hidden heart, a firefly of my love is aflame. This quiet Japan woman's confession to herself almost 1,000 years ago tells us that the most important things begin so far inside that we can hardly hear them ourselves at first, or that we keep the most important things so tucked away that they barely have a chance to grow. Probably her sigh of heart bears witness to both. Please, let's read her lines again now. Who knows that in the depth of the ravine of the mountain of my hidden heart, a firefly of my love is aflame. These are not just words, but the heart cloud of a living being, catching herself alive in a moment that has repeated itself in everyone who has ever known or wanted to know love. And though I'm not sure how, we can, in the snap of a guarded moment, in the winds of an unexpected hurt, be a mountain away from what we feel. But if we own the separation, we then begin the arduous pilgrimage back to oneness. Somewhere along the way, and often with good reason, we learn to fear putting our feelings out in the open, out in the weather of ordinary air, as if our small piece of love will die for exposure to the elements, as if our true feelings will not survive the gaze of others. Yet we all know so very well that without air, nothing can grow. So what are we to do with our tiny little firefly? It is a beautiful irony that in confessing her hiddenness, Abutsu Ni has given us a way. For isn't it her firefly that has fluttered all the way up from the ravine, up from the mountain of her hidden heart, flitting to moisten her eye and work her like reluctant tongue? Isn't her little firefly of love that has kept its tail lit for more than 900 years? It doesn't have to be pretty or smart, just honest and true. For many a dance starts with a trip, and many a song finds its opening through a cough. Wow, that's a beautiful one. So let's do a little reflection around this together. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath natural, nice and soft. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix about your breathing right now. Just like there is nothing you need to fix about this moment, about yourself in this moment. Everything is enough, just the way it is. See if this gives you a sense of spaciousness in your whole being, a sense of certain freedom in which all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Continue breathing nicely, deliberately into your own heart. Maybe even put a hand or both hands on your heart to access this area more easily. And once you feel that you've dropped there, breathe slowly and repeat Abutsuni's words aloud after me, as if they are your own. Who knows that in the depth of the ravine of the mountain of my hidden heart, a firefly of my love is aflame? Who knows that in the depth of the ravine of the mountain of my hidden heart, a firefly of my love is aflame? Feel the small firefly of your love flitting inside the mountain of your heart. Breathing slowly, let the firefly flit up your ravine, up your mountain, up your throat, and out into the world. How does that feel? And now let's send the energy of loving kindness to you. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body. Notice what's going on for you, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this beautiful reflection and allow the firefly of your love find its way out of the mountain of your hidden heart. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.